Hey, Shalom, Akim. Shalom. All right. We the brothers here from Great Millstone, Atlanta. All right. I got the brother Kasha Kwala here with me today for another Whiteboard episode. Before we get started, we want to give all praises, glory, and honor to Yahweh, Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'Hashem, Ruach Kodash. Okay. Double honors unto the apostles and the elders at Great Millstone who rule well and push out this word at a high frequency. Peace, safety, and much love to the elect members laboring around the four corners of the earth, giving all diligence to make the calling of election sure. Say shalom to you. All right, this is going to be episode number 4. Ibaryat Palagium. We're going to deal with end time stability. All right, and basically what's here in the prayer is a lot of characteristics that's going to be good for your mental stability while dealing with Jacob's trouble in times to come. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and hand it over to the brother and let him bring it in, let him know how he came about with the prayer.
All right. I did get this prayer from the brother Shamash Wan out of DC. Shalom to the DC camp as well.
Shalom.
How about Shema Shabbat Katham?
How about Shema Shabbat Katham?
All right. We're just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. All right.
I'm gonna get that Isaiah 33 first.
Matter of fact, get that first.
All right, come. This is Isaiah chapter 33 and verse 6. It says, "In wisdom and knowledge shall be the stability of thy times, and strength of salvation. The fear of the Lord is his treasure."
That's right, and that's why we're making this prayer, the end time stability, because that's a bread and butter scripture right there. Because in the end time, the only way we're going to be stable is due to the fear that we had for Yahweh Bashim Shai while we yet had our liberty, which is right now. Okay, and that's what this word, this book is what's gonna be our backbone in that day.
That's right.
Okay, and you can send up a prayer in that day like this,
Yep.
So just jump right into it. I'm gonna read it through and then break down each word. It's Shalak Lanawa, Chesakta, Wa, Chananka, Wa, Saparka, Wa, Debarka, Rachaka, Kodash, Bayan, see that, Bayan, Matazakdak, Babakusha, Tawa. All right, we're going to start with the first word is Shalak Lanawa. Sha, La, Ha, and you put a connector right there to connect both of these words. So you Sha, Lach, okay, La, and then another connector right here, Na, Wa. All right.
Yeah, it was really, I messed up there. You really don't need that connector because you pronounce the wa all the way through.
So that word is shalak, which means send, la, to, nawa, us. Shalach nawa. All right. And chasaka. All right. You got cha, sa, and then da, and you connect those. Okay, and you have ka. And that means your mercy, all right? Chesed, mercy, and ka, your, all right? Wa is and, okay? And chananka, cha, na, you connect those, and then ka, all right? Chananka, all right? And it means chanan, which is grace, and ka, your. You add ka at the end, it's speaking like your, okay? So, Chananka, your grace, all right? Wa again, which means and, all right? Saparka, sa, pa, sa, yeah, that's right. Sa,
Connected it.
Ka. Sapar. All right? Sapar, all right? Ka, all right? And this is one of the first words you learn when you come in. This is one of the first words I learned, sapar, which means book, when you first come into the truth.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So again, you have that word. You have ka at the end. So that's gonna be your.
That's right.
All right. Saparka, your book. Again, wa and the barka. Okay. Da, ba, and you connect those to get the bar, and then ka at the end. All right, your word, debar, word, ka, your. All right, and then you got raha, ka, which is ra, Yeah, that's right.
Ra, wa, but you connected. So it's Ra, and Cha, Ka. Like the brother said, you know, Ka is like basically saying it's yours, and the subject is the spirit, which is Cha. And that's why you see the next word is Kodash, you know, Kwa, Da, Sha, or you connected for Kodash, which means holy. But the point I wanted to make was you always put the subject before the adjective, because it's spirit, but what kind of spirit? The Holy Spirit. So the spirit is the subject, and the description is the adjective, which goes afterwards in the Hebrew. That's how you speak.
It's kind of like if you say holy angel or holy angels.
Yep.
It would be Alahayim.
Or angels is Malakah.
The one.
Yeah. Alahayim is power.
Power.
Yeah.
You know. But you, like the brother said, you broke down. That's why we say Chakadash.
That's right.
You know, when we put up the How Bashim Yashai Bashim Chakadash.
That's right, bro.
All right.
That's right.
So Bayan, which is that's right. Bayan, which is discernment. Okay. You have Ba, and then you connect these to get your Yan, Bayan, discernment, and then you have Matazak Dak. All right. Ma would be your of, all right, and Tazadak, it would be righteousness.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's right.
And then you have Babakusha, which is please, and then Tawab at the end to close the prayer out. So to say it again, all in one, it would be, you would say Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'Hashem Chakodash, Shalak Lanawa, Chesadka, Wa, Chananka, Wa, Saparka, Wa, Dabarka, Rachaka, Kodash, Bayan, Matazakdak, Matazadak, Babakusha, Tawab. God, and that is sent to us your mercy and your grace and your book and your word, your spirit, holy, or Holy Spirit, but your spirit holy, that's how you would say it in the English. Discernment of righteousness, please, good.
That's right. That's right. So, you know, brother had a prayer that was on the spirit, and it was only right to put it up, because, you know, going into these times, you know, we will you know, need to utilize some of these prayers, man. You know, and that's just something that, you know, Apostle Tahar has been pushing, Apostle Ramla has been pushing. You know, you see other brothers like Elder Monaghan up in DC, and a list of other brothers, you know, pushing the Hebrew out, you know, edifying, you know, the elect with the Hebrew tongue, because the Lord restored our heritage to us, you know, and we have a goodly heritage. As a matter of fact, let me see if I can get that. And what is that? Let me see if I can find that, because see, this is a part of our heritage, and it tells you in Psalms. I'm gonna look for it real quick. If you brothers could bear with me 1 second. Psalm 16:6. It says, "The lines are fallen unto me in pleasant places. Yea, I have a goodly heritage." All right, and we have to understand that, man. The Lord gave us a beautiful, good heritage, man. We come from prime stock of seed, man. The children of Israel, the 12 tribes of Israel, the Negroes, Hispanics, and Native Americans. And before we went into this captivity, we had a language. You know, we had a language that we spoke, and because the Lord gave us back that language or that heritage that we discontinued from, now we have to show the respect to the Lord, and we have to utilize it. You know, and that's how we show our appreciation, and we also build a stronger connection with Yahweh Bashim Shai when He see us crawling back to our roots and trying to build ourselves up and back up under the spirit and power of Yahweh Bashim Shai and taking on our true culture. All right, so you know, the brother wanted to go into it. You know, this is a good end times of good prayer for end time stability. You know, because we're getting ready to go into this thing real soon. You can feel it in the spirit, and these prayers will be useful to keep you going, keep pushing you, and get closer to Yahweh Bashim Shai, man. Which that's what it's about, and doing His work. You know,
that's right.
So you close it out, brother.
Kind, and us brothers want to give all glory, honor, and praises unto
Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'Hashem, Ruach HaKodesh,
Double honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone. Be well. Peace, love, salutation to the elect 144 first fruit.
That's right.
Shalom.
Shalom.